First of all, we are very satisfied, happy to be here in Shillong for the first time with the national team.
We never thought there will be such a nice practice field and a stadium like this, but it is very nice and we hope for a good match here.
Kaskol Saint Joseph Kabaran Hajayao Haksi Balang Jagatayo Kalapenlong ya Jingrakhe ya Saint Joseph's Day Bat kumjo ya ke investiture ceremony ya ke baleshim benta dagi kena jogane kaskol kane kalong ru kumshi benta ban le buram ya kesngi u Joseph Bakhoi ha kaskol Saint Joseph Kabaran Hajayao Shillong ha Jingrakhe ya kesngi u Joseph Bakhoi ne ke Saint Joseph's Day Lapentian Smairu iki kena puli ke bedi gidkot jaga National Cadet Corps NCC bari ki captain jagi kelas baper balapan ku buram ru ki kena skol ke bela job ke jinge khun ha ke jingle akai jaga Meghalaya Olympic Games arhajar apusan badi ki beki bai la pani pho ekne ke Jingrakhe leng ba ke jingat march pass ke jingle drill ki kena na ke bedang red adu ke bela he ke balapan sngot na di ke belawan bansaki ekne ke jingelang U Colonel Deepak Niambiar, U Commanding Officer Jangka 61 Meghalaya Girls Battalion NCC, Kumu Kongsan. Habakran ya ke Jingelang ulero ya ke Jingla jangka skol ban penlong ya ke Jingelang ke belalong ke Bakerpang ya ke ba Syamla Mudur. Ulong bagari kini gisnam ki balalet ke laki usaprang i benta baper bara kene ke khalamat ke bamenta kadang don hagelenti benlong gendong yalam ke perthai kata akan dega por bagi kena ke bamenta kin long kum ginong shnong ke bara kena akan negari badunget scam bakin dangra asyu sejrong ya lama jongkari baru lapen paru ya ke jingdan kam bandon ya ke jingeteli hapo kari
and the students serve my beloved school with pride and loyalty. I promise to uphold the school's rules and to carry out the duties entrusted to me sincerely. I know it is a difficult undertaking, but placing my trust in you, my God, I pledge to do all that I can for the betterment of our school and to provide a positive school environment.
I am spellbound by the amount of sincere, heartfelt involvement of each one of the students, staff, teachers, up to the principal ma'am. A huge round of applause for all of you. It was an education to me while I was coming here that this school, St. Joseph's Girls Higher Secondary School, now rechristened as St. Joseph's Higher Secondary School, was raised in 1964. You had your golden jubilee in 2014 and now you have crossed 60 years. So the first students of this school would be senior citizens now. And surely each one of us, as the time comes, will also reach our senior citizenship age. But having seen the kind of thorough teaching that you're getting, the smartness of each one of the students, the amount of effort which has gone in from each of your conducting staff, students, teachers, and your headmistresses, I was actually wishing that काश मैं भी स्कूल से पढ़ा होता. I wish I had studied in this school. So that's the kind of impression that you have left on me today. It is awesome.